we have had no new fatalities during the past 24 hours. And that's just incredibly positive news. The first time we've had this news now in 9 days. And I'm just so pleased to hear that. We also have other good news regarding power outages have dramatically been reduced to 55,000 outages. I do want to stress, however, that we've got a lot of damage on roads, and a lot of these roads are still underwater, and we do not yet know the damage assessment. And this is not an immediate thing where you can snap your fingers once the roads are clear of water that we'll be able to open those roads immediately, because we have to do serious engineering assessments, and we're not going to risk people's lives by reopening the roads just when the water is clear. We've got a lot of structural work to do, especially most of the road damages on bridges. I also have some other good news. Is I want to thank the federal government for approving my request for public and individual federal assistance for Greene, Harnett, and Sampson counties.